In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add people to Basecamp. Adding people to your Basecamp projects is an important step in keeping your team organized and making sure everyone has access to the work they need. I'll walk you through the process from start to finish, and you can follow along in your own Basecamp account if you'd like. First, open the specific project you want to add someone to. This might be a client project, an internal team space, or any other project you've already created. Make sure you're inside that project's main page, where you can see things like messages, to-dos, and schedules. Everything we're about to do will be done from within that project. Once you're inside the project, look for the option to manage people. Depending on your Basecamp version and settings, this might appear as Add, Remove People, or Set Up People. It's usually located near the project avatars or the area where you see the faces or initials of people who are already in the project. Click that option to open the People Management screen. On this screen, you'll see who currently has access to the project, along with a button to bring in new people. Look for a green button that says something like Invite People or Add People. Click that green button to start the invitation process. This is where you'll tell Basecamp who you're inviting and how they'll participate in the project. Next, you'll choose the role for each person you're adding. Typically, you can select from roles such as employee, outside collaborator, or client. Think about the level of access and visibility they should have. Employees are usually people on your internal team who need full access. Outside collaborators might be freelancers or partners who only need partial access. Clients generally see only what's meant for them, often with more limited permissions. After choosing the appropriate role, enter the person's name and email address carefully so the invitation reaches the right inbox. When you've added everyone you want and confirmed that their roles and email addresses look correct, you're ready for the final step. Click the Send Invitations button. Basecamp will email each person you've invited with a link to join the project. Once they accept the invite and sign in, they'll appear in your project's people list and can start collaborating right away. And that's all it takes to add people to a Basecamp project. Open the project, manage people, invite, assign roles, and send.